Nation activist Sunday Igboho is also making moves in Kogi State, touring communities on a familiarization mission ahead of planned forest operations across the southwest, having already announced that his security team is actively clearing Yoruba-speaking parts of Kogi and Kwara of terrorists and criminals.
Oosa! Oosa! Igboho! Oosa! Oosa! Oosa!
Now, Dr. Abati, two different approaches to insecurity, one state, and the battle to rid Nigeria's forest of criminality is intensifying. I'd like your thoughts. To begin with Sunday Igboho, I mean, we've always called on, community-led approach to this sort of insecurity. I don't know what your thoughts are on his approach.
Okay, let's start with Chief Sunday Adeyemo, popularly known as Sunday Igboho. He came into public prominence in 2021 when he said he was going to, rid Yoruba forest, Kogi Kwara, of forest marauders who were kidnapping and killing people and causing mayhem. He ran into trouble 2022 when the Buhari government went after him and he had to leave the country. But eventually he was rehabilitated by the Tinubu administration and brought back after his trials in the Republic of Benin. And now he's back in action. He says, following the abduction of teachers and children who are, by the way, 3 weeks later, still in captivity from Orire local government of Oyo State, he has now declared the launch, the establishment, the formation of a group called Ẹkun security network. Ẹkun, that would be like Amotekun, really, leopard. Since we don't have tigers in Africa, it means the tiger of the tail of the leopard's tail. And it says they are now operating in parts of Kogi and Kwara State. And the video is just showing us Igboho going on a familiarization tour. Now, the fact that we have groups like ESN, that we have groups like Amotekun, we have a community guard in Benue, and similar groups that are non-state actors, even if Igboho is saying he's supported by the Tinubu administration, also speaks to the fact that the state agencies are not, they are overwhelmed. Let me put it like that. And, if Igboho is going to get support from the state, then groups like ESN and similar other groups elsewhere, including the vigilante groups in the north, should also be given the same amount of support. We just hope that this emergence of these groups trying to help, since the federal government is always calling for collaboration, community approach to dealing with insecurity in the country, that they will not end up as militias, and that they will not end up with a different kind of purpose in the long term. However, I think it's good that we celebrate the security agencies when they do well. The DSS, the police and other agencies, the military, seizing arms and ammunition from the wrong hands. The problem is one of proliferation of small arms and light weapons. And it speaks to the security of our borders. Who are the people who bring in this sophisticated weaponry? Nigeria is signatory to the Convention on the Proliferation of Small Arms and Weapons. And yet these weapons, they get into this country through all kinds of means, land, air, and sea borders. So the very minimum that government can do is to fulfill its commitment to this Convention on the Proliferation of Small Arms and Light Weapons. We're even a member. Nigeria is a member of the regional committee on that. But that committee, has continued to fail, especially with regard to Nigeria.
Clearance for Sunday. Oosa! Oosa! Igboho! Oosa! 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 Ilé Tolúlọpẹ́ Arótilẹ̀ ibẹ̀ ni a wà yìí o. Kí ni kò sẹ́wọ̀n Sunday? Oosa! 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 Oosa!
That's good for me.
Ìlú Ifẹ̀ Olúkọ̀tún la wà yìí. Bá a rí ẹ ti gbàgbé mi àwọn. Mo ra wa yìí. Òsínmọ́. Kò lọlẹ̀ mọ́ bí tó dé nìyẹn. A ti wà ní Kogi o, gbogbo ẹ̀yin ẹni bí ẹ̀yin Fúlàní ẹ̀yin ẹ̀pàràmọ́ òòṣà wọ̀lú ẹ̀ disappear òòṣà ti dé.
This is Odua TV Watch. Don't forget to subscribe, comment your opinion, like, comment and share so that other people can get access to what you enjoy on our channel. Thank you. We love you.